making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. It's a Mexican pastry. Look at that flame though. Oh, Auntie, it's another. You like the heat lower? You like the heat lower? There's so much smoke. It is. Yeah. Wanna see a big baby? You got a big baby. You got a big baby. Hey, I'm not even in the cone of shame. Cone of shame. He's an old man. You bitch. Come on. Where are you going? Ah! Where are you? Solid. Oh. Jeez. Really?
You want to eat? You would stay there.
Go say.
Stay on there. Stay there.
Morning from Fresno. So it's like maybe 40 something, 50 something degrees. You know, just rocking a t-shirt, no pants, boots. His place. Yay!
It's too cold.
It's too cold.
Hey,
Yay! Oh my goodness!
what are you crying? What are you crying?
When you walk to the gas station with your dad and he wears surf shorts. It's 48 degrees! Oh, did not see that. Who's that? I don't know him. It's mango and chamoy.
What's white Perry mango?
To get the red stuff.
Is it
You gotta
hot?
dig in. No, it's the chamoy sauce.
What's chamoy?
The Mexican stuff. The big bottle I bought from the Mexican supermarket. The powder on top is like lihimoy, but it's Mexican version.
Good. After coming more cold. Not cold, Ashley.
Yes. No. So I picked this up at the gas station. Oh my god, it's 180 calories. So good though. I should have showed you guys earlier how it looked like. It's basically mango sherbet. Miss you, baby Jesus. I love the cold.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna do a taste test of Turbos Flamas. How red! How red! So doodoo! Red doodoo!
It's the first time you eat it?
Me voy a echar un baño y ya que me bañe ven. ¿Ok? ¿Eh?
That's gonna be itchy.
Tastes like the Cheetos on but with limes.
Her ass gonna be itchy.
Ahí voy a vivir yo cuando tú no estés.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Oh my gosh, it's hail! And she's like, why is it so loud? How come it's so loud? First time seeing hail. Oh, look at that! Is that like snow then?
Yes.
It's ice. Yeah,
It's
it's kind
ice.
of like snow.
Ah!
The raindrops freezing.
Ooh, don't eat it. Ooh. Next stop, Trader Joe's. Oh, so earlier it was hailing. That's what you guys saw in that previous clip. Pretty sure one of us is gonna get sick after that. But